We're with Ilaria Cocco in Montefalco, who produces Sagrantino. And if you could tell us a bit about how it all got started in just a few words, so your idea of creating this winery.
My idea is I'm really link and connect with this territory. My grandparents used to produce wine just from themselves and family, but this was really for them was so important to produce Sagrantino, and I grew up harvest with them, producing with them these wines. I really wanted to create something that they could appreciate and then connect me with this land, and this land that I want to communicate through my wine.
So also another question is about what you want to express with your Sagrantino, how you want it to be, to tell something both of you and of the territory.
I want, in my mind, want to create and want to communicate a wine more fine and elegant, because sometimes Sagrantino in the last year has been communicated as a really structured and strong wine, a wine that you have always to explain. Instead, I want to create a Sagrantino more enjoyable and more like fine and elegant, probably is the right word to